on ClickBank you have this gravity score, like
Oh my
which
gosh, like
for most people is the only thing they look at because it has a gravity score of 500. Yeah, it's like going to here in Idaho. You live in Idaho,
yeah.
like in the main street, and there are two bars, like, and the one is
Yes.
totally empty, zero gravity score, and the other one
Yes.
has is packed, and people are lining up on the streets. Like everyone goes in the line as well.
That's funny you use that because I explain it. I'm like, gravity score on ClickBank is a good way of it's like saying there was a party last night, there was a ton of people there, and a lot of people got drinks. It does not
At
tell
least
you,
one, yeah.
yeah, at least one drink. It doesn't tell you if they had a good time or not,
Okay.
and if they would go back. But it tells you what happened. It tells you how many people were there and who got a drink and at last night, like that snapshot in time. That does not mean like tomorrow is guaranteed. That also doesn't mean that a lot of people are profitable on their ads. It doesn't mean, it just means it's converting really well. And it converted really well for for the past couple of months. And so that gives you an idea, but that also lets you know that there's some of these that are hiding down here that are on their way up that I'm missing. Because if I'm just hitting this like a Google search and going first page energy, I'm missing the ones that are climbing. I actually am not getting a good view of which ones are climbing. I just see like one pop up.
Yeah,
And
you see it
and
when it's there and not on the rise.
yeah,
Like you're not riding the wave. Basically, you're entering when it's probably maybe the highest.
right, exactly. Like you are the person in 2025 that's like, hey, have you heard of this Pink Pony Club song? Like you're that last person to hear it. So it like versus getting to see the movement, getting to see,
Interesting. Yeah.
and also getting to see the movement on that front page of people moving down. Like, are you seeing that gravity score start to fall? Hey, they're still number one spot, but hey, I'm seeing I'm seeing it descend, which is showing that it, it, and this is how it works in everything. It's a copycat league. It's a copycat world. If something works, everyone's like, I got to do the same thing. I got to go after that. That product's working. Everyone goes to that. So when we have a product that starts really working, we see this consolidation of affiliates on it, and then like the offer can't hold that much. It can't take on that like you start to have diminishing returns. And if you're an advertiser, that's the best problem to have. You're like, oh my God, you are the most popular person at the party. Everyone wants to, like everyone wants to hang out with you. Everyone wants to know who you are. And you're not going to tell people no, like from your offer because you're like, hey,
Yeah.
I got
Yeah.
it. Like
Bring him
I
on.
bought a ton. I bought a ton of inventory on this. Yeah, I do want to get rid of it. I do want to sell. I do want to make money. And I don't know. And when you are inundated with so many affiliates, I don't know how many are going to be good or how many are not, or how many are really truly focused on it. But there comes this like just over the nadir of the wave where all of a sudden, oh, the paid affiliates are like CPMs are getting really high for this, and people like you can't go anywhere on the internet without seeing an ad for this. Oh my gosh! So now you're
Spy
fighting each
tools are
other.
full, and
Yeah. Spy tools are full, and then there becomes this like, oh man, somebody's copying my ads. It's like, yeah, because everyone's looking for it. Like if you are like everyone's looking for it, it's the most popular one, and that is the curse of the most popular one. That also does not mean that it during that time of its rise, it was the most converting. There becomes this like self-fulfilling prophecy where you're like, hey, this one is at the top of the marketplace now because it is, it's like making the most sales, and you're like, yeah, because it has the most affiliates, and everyone's like,
yeah.
they hear from their affiliate, like all the affiliate channels, the groups, this Telegram, the Slacks, the WhatsApp, whatever, everyone's like, you got to start promoting this. Oh, I hear about this, you hear about this. And so it builds up its own aura. And then on our side at ClickBank, it feels like we're trying to pull, like rein in and be like, there's these other ones, go to these other ones, go to
Yeah.
these other ones, because there are other ones that now have less affiliates on there that now will convert better.